Oh, red light runner. That was nothing like a stop. Yes. Totally unnecessary, you know, dual turn lane. Oh, that one. You're tailgating. Shut up, you high beams. Howdy ho in the red. Shut up, you high beams. With the Stop tailgating, tough guy truck. So we just go on. Stop. Stop tailgating, Mr. Figure Track. Blah, 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 blah. Yo! Jesus Christ. You're in the red. Shut up, you high beams, you scumbag. Don't run the... Oh, they didn't, damn it. Oh, you did. And yes, we'll stop before you turn, stop before you turn, stop before you turn, stop before you turn.
Therefore, Gonzalez filed a claim to try and get the city to reimburse her, but because they weren't
that wasn't nice,
aware of the
old
problem
man.
beforehand and didn't have a...
No. That was a cutoff. That was another cutoff. Yeah, another cutoff. Watch out, watch out. Jesus. You're really not supposed to ride against traffic, mister. Don't, yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. So tired, hello. And we're in the red. No turn on red. No. Ran the right on red. And blew the right on red. That's a no turn on red, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Why are you making a U-turn up there? Oh, God. Flying Toyo turd. Let's see what he does. Cut off. Go ahead. Cut off the kick. Cut off the kick. All right. Yep. Yep. Blinkless. Yep. Cut him off too. Go direct to the left lane because Toyo turd. Yep. There you go. There you go. Fix your plate back ahead before you lose it. been so far already. Yeah. Okay, yeah. God damn it, boys. Yeah. Exit regret is sort of, and yeah, okay. It didn't have to go all both lanes, and yeah, okay. All right, whatever. Whatever, never, amen. Why don't you cut him off? Because Subaru. Shut up, you high beams. Like high beams? There's the high beams for you. Prius brick exit dive. Exit regret within the exit. Shut up, you high beams. Please and thank you. I realize you feel the need to get that vehicle out of your way, but you don't have the choice of the rest of us. Are you making a U-turn to make a U-turn? Are you bypassing the light? Making an asshole pass? Bypass hole. Are you... Shut up, you fucking high beam, just scumbag. Sibadoosh. You too. Whatever you are.